Good morning. Oh, let's go potty. Upstairs. Come on. Oh, you're gonna pee. Let's go. Go potty. Good potties. Good morning. It's picture day. I came down to wake you up. Well, that was a fast potty. Well, what are you so excited for?
I'm getting ready for middle school pictures.
And let's see, you braided your hair yesterday and slept with it in braids so that it was kind of kinky, right?
Yeah, because like it'll give like a little wave. I don't know why my hair does that.
Everyone's hair does that. And then you want it curled. Do you want to put in a half pony first?
Yeah, I was thinking a half pony and then braid. No, don't put a pony, but braid it down.
Oh, okay.
And then curl the bottoms of it.
Okay, do you want it parted in the middle or do you want it parted on the side?
Whatever you want, because I don't really know.
I think both is really pretty, but it just matters of like look at yourself right now, see how it looks.
Yeah, I think I'd like it on the side.
Okay. What do you think of that? Do you like that better?
Just a little bit.
And then if I
yeah.
were to pull it back like that?
I kind of like it in the middle.
I kind of like it in the middle too. So do you want it parted at your ears? Is that what you want, or higher?
I usually go like this and like take half of it.
Okay.
But not so much.
Are you sure you want me to do it? Do you want to do it?
I don't know, because I know I'm not going to be able to braid it and I can't like get it.
You have some thick hair.
Oh, yeah. And if you can, when you do the braid, try to kind of like keep it a little tight so it stays. Because when Bree did it, it was a little loose and it almost like came out.
Well, if you don't put a hairband there, it's going to be loose.
No, but it works. Like
Right.
it still works.
Okay. I'm going to spray the sides first. Just so the hair is coming back, yeah, and staying back.
I was gonna ask, which one do you think is better, the curled or the crimped?
Yeah, and I personally like the just like crimped and the straight ends best, but Olivia likes the curls best. Which is why, for Olivia's pictures, we are doing curls. If you guys were looking for a really good mascara for beginners, I mean, I use this for myself, but it's just perfect for beginners and it works really good, so I'll link this in the description for you guys below. After I filmed Olivia's thing, I had a full day planned of stuff, a regular day planned with stuff, and sometimes our days don't quite go the way we think they're gonna go. Sometimes you kind of get blindsided by life, and today was one of those days. And anyway, I thought, you know, I can't get on camera, I can't do this today, I'll just finish tomorrow. And then I just kind of had the thought, you know, everyone that watches you goes through the same things that you're going through, and for some reason it feels comforting when someone else is struggling. Like it almost gives us permission to struggle, or I don't even know, but I just felt like, you know, I don't want to just wait until I'm composed and then, you know, have a really great ending to a vlog, because that's just not how everyday life is. And for kids that watch and for parents that watch, I know I've been saying that lately, but it's just the truth. And so I didn't get anything done today. I pulled it together for dinner. Here's our leftovers. I made eggs with 4 different color of bell peppers, eggs, and a whole bunch of spinach. It was delicious. And then I put feta cheese on the top. I mean, that alone is worth finishing the vlog with. Hey,
I know it's such a rough day. You look sure dang cute.
So I washed the dishes, got the kids in bed with the wonderful help of my husband. I gotta find a Tupperware for this. And
I'll get it.
I don't know about you guys, but the Tupperware drawers frighten me. Oh, hey. All right, we found a match. Here we go. I'm doing the whole mom thing where you just kind of...
Do you want some light?
Sure. If you guys watch my Insta stories, I did a whole thing on Joel changing the lighting. So I'm going to insert a picture for you guys where I'm standing right here. He hadn't changed the kitchen ones yet, but he did out here, and it was like out here was white, inside the kitchen was yellow. And I just thought, Joel, our lives are filming in our house. You have to get me white lighting, please. And to be honest, it's a little stark. Like it's a little blinding. I'm gonna have you wash this for me, okay? Because I need to get all of the pictures off of my camera for tomorrow's vlog so that I'm ready with tomorrow's vlog and my Instagram content. Can you do that for me, please?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, guys, we're even trying something. When I made avocado, this is turning into a wonderful ending, by the way. I'm glad I just picked up the camera. A lot of people might be rolling their eyes at me. I don't really know. Joel, stop killing the bugs around the house. Nice. We made guacamole, and someone was like, pour water on the top of it, and it stays perfectly green. It does. And so I was like, we cut up too many avocados. We were distracted. We were only supposed to cut like 2 avocados, got distracted, and here we are with a bunch of avocado slices. So I was like, let's put them in water and see what happens. I think you should have peeled them, Joel. I probably wouldn't have put them in there with the peel on, but you know, we're gonna see. We're gonna see how that goes.
Less get soggy.
I will update you, okay? I will update you. I know you're all gonna be on the edge of your seats. Avocado toast.
That was good.
That was me talking in cursive, if you didn't know.
Why do we call that talking in church?
I have no idea. Is that like a TikTok thing?
Calling it Halsey, isn't that who talks like that? Not cursive.
Okay, let's see if you guys can hear what I'm saying. Okay, hold on.
I like this game. Juan's pretty good at it.
Oh my, no, I'm ratchet at it, actually.
Ratchet. Doesn't that sound like it?
Everyone does this word. I'm up.
I know which one that one was.
Come to my Instagram and tell me what I'm saying in order. Number 1, that was number 1. Here's number 2. Guys, I can't do it. That's all I got for you. I got the 1. That's all I got was the avocado and what did I say? Starbucks.
Oh,
That's
you know
what
you're
I said,
not supposed to give it away.
That's what I said. I said what I said. I'm like actually like really sad right now, but okay. I love you guys, and I'm sure you got shiz going on in your own life. I know you do. Everybody does, and it really is the pits sometimes. And sometimes I'm like, why? Why do we even bother? Is this like, why are we here? Why are we doing this? And then you get a glimpse of like true happiness, and you're like, oh,
That's fine.
all right. Bye, guys.